I have a Roku Premiere Plus. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. So right out of the box, first thing you get is a power cable. You get a HDMI cable. We have the remotes, the batteries for the remotes. We have a wall adapter here that'll be optional. And we have the Roku player itself right here, and we also have this adhesive that's also optional. Basically, you want to pop this on here and put it somewhere on your TV, and I'll show you where you can use the adhesive at a little bit later. And of course, we also get the Roku Premiere Plus Quick Start Guide, which we will not need. So we're going to go ahead and grab the player here, and first thing we're going to do is connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI port. You also see a micro USB power cable here, and you have a reset button here. So HDMI cable, we're going to put one end into here. Now we're going to grab the power cable, and it has a USB, micro USB connector here, and we're going to go ahead and connect it over here for power. Now the next thing we're going to do is plug the other end of the HDMI cable into your TV. So you see I have several HDMI slots that are open here. If you have a 4K TV, you want to make sure you plug in your HDMI cable into the 2.2 HDMI port, okay? So for me, I'm going to pop this in here. Now we also have the power here. Now we have an option. We can go ahead, if you have an open USB port, I have an open USB port up here, I can plug that in to power up my Roku player here. However, if you plug this in and if you ever see like a red light or red blinking light, that means that USB power is not providing enough power. Then you would have to go ahead and actually use the wall adapter here and plug that into a wall. Okay, but I should be fine with my USB in my TV. Now really quickly, in regards to the adhesive here, I'm not going to use it, but you can use the adhesive if you wish. Simply just put one end on here, and then what you want to do is you have several places you can put it on your TV. Okay, you can go ahead and put it like under your TV like this. You can put it on the side, or you can put it even on top. Okay, but again, for me, I don't even need the adhesive. I'm going to keep mine like right down here. Next thing is go ahead and turn your TV on now, and you want to make sure you go to the correct HDMI port where your Roku player is plugged into. So typically on remotes, you get like an input or source button. I have an input button right here. Let me just click on that. If not, then you can always go through the settings. But mine is right here, and I think mine is on HDMI 2. All right, there you go. So before this screen here, it would have showed like a Roku intro, and then this would have popped up here, pair your remote. So let's get the remote. Let's pop the back plate off. Let's insert the batteries correctly. And as soon as we pop the batteries in, you should get a green blinking light, and it should pair automatically, okay? And if it doesn't pair, if you don't get a green blinking light, there's a button right here. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds, or just wait until the green light starts flashing, then you can let go, okay? So now we are on the setup screen. Remote does work. Choose your language, click on OK. I'm going to hook this up to my home Wi-Fi network, which is right there. Put in your password. Once you put in your password, go down to connect, click on OK. Okay, looks good. Now I get a software update here. Go ahead and click on OK. We're going to go ahead and let this run. Once the update is installed, it will reboot. It's restarting now. Auto detect display type. Let me click on OK right here. And let's see, I can't get 4K because I don't have a 2.2 HDMI cable, so I'm going to go with OK, go to automatic. Screen looks good to me. I'm going to go up. Yes, screen looks good. All right, so your TV, the power button on your Roku remote, as well as the volume rockers, should work to turn off the TV and increase and decrease volume using the Roku remote to the TV. So let me go ahead and check remote settings here. Yes, music is playing. Has music stopped playing? Yes, music has stopped. Okay, then that's it for me. If for you, you might have to go through a couple additional steps. You may have to input your TV brand and whatnot, but mine found it right away on my Philips. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK right here. So here we have to activate the Roku account. Now, if you already have a Roku account, just go ahead and go down here and enter your email address. If you don't have a Roku account, go to www.roku.com, sign up for account, remember that email address, and then come back here and enter it here. So enter email address, put in your email address here. Once you put in your email address, go down to continue, Click on OK. Now you want to go ahead and retrieve the activation link in your email. You can go to your computer or you can go to your phone, and I'll do mine on my phone, and I just received the email right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Roku device activation link. Let me tap on that. Okay, and then from here, what I want to do is device name. You can go ahead and name it something else, but default it's Roku Premiere Plus. Location, go ahead and put the location where it's located. I'll put mine in the family room. You have to agree right here. Click on check mark and then tap on continue. Now Roku wants to ask you some questions to personalize your channels and offers. You can click on OK if you wish to go through that. For me, I don't need any of that. I'm going to go ahead and skip that right there. And here's some additional channels or apps that you can go ahead and add right now, or you can always add it later. It doesn't matter. Okay, for me, I'll probably add it later once that I need. I'll click on, I won't add any of these for now. I'll click on continue. Now watch my TV here, okay? This should update automatically. Just give it 1 second here. Wait. Okay, there you go. Now with this, we're done. Now let's let it proceed with the channel update, basically the app updates. Okay, so it's all done now. Now you can go ahead and just click on the right here, and then we should get an intro that's going to play here. So here's the intro. Let's get you streaming. Press the home button to skip that intro. Anyway, we're up and running. Questions, issues, comment below. Good luck.